Question 3. Enlarge the rectangle shown by a scale factor of 2. Now that means scale factor of 2. That means make it twice as big. Using 2, 1 as a centre of enlargement. So, I'm going to try and maybe zoom in a little bit here. I'll move the camera down a little bit. Okay, so 2, 1. So we go across to 2 and up to 1. Now this is where everything's happening to do your centre of enlargement. Your shape is going to get twice as big from this point here. So the best way to do it is to pick the nearest point to this centre. And that's this one here. So how do I get to this point here? Just going up and down, left or right. I go up 2 and across 1. So to get to that nearest one, up 2 and across 1. So to make my enlargement twice as big, I need to now go up 4 and across 2. So back to my centre of enlargement, and I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going across 1, 2. So the corner of the enlarged shape will be there. Okay? Now there's two ways I can do it. I can either do that for the rest of the corners or the vertices of this shape. So I can say, how do I get to this shape, this corner here? Up 1, 2, 3, 4, and across 1. Double it to go up 8 and across 2. Or I can say in the original shape, this line here is 2 squares long. So in the enlargement, it must be twice as big. And that's the method I'm going to use. So from this corner here, I now has moved there. I'm going to go up not 2 squares, but 4 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There. This line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 long in the original. So in my enlargement, it's got to be twice as big, so that would be 12 long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There. And then finally, this line was 2 long, so it now needs to be 4 long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Using a ruler then, you need to join up the lines to make your shape. Okay, for part B, it says rotate the triangle shown below by 180 degrees about the point 1, 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is highlight the point 1, 2. So across the corridor to 1, up to 2 would be there. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to mark this as a crosshair, like so. And then you are going to put tracing paper over that and you are going to trace it. Give me 1 second, I'll see if I can find some. Okay, as if by magic I've got some. Okay, so tracing paper here. Make sure you draw the crosshair as well as the shape. It's very, very important that you do that. Okay? Okay, so pen, or pencil in your case, will go on the crosshair. Now 180, doesn't matter if you go anti-clockwise or clockwise. That's a quarter of a spin. That's a half a spin. And can you see that the crosshair matches up on itself there? And that's how I know that I've definitely done a quarter of a turn, then a half turn, then a 3/4 turn. That's precisely why we draw that, okay? So, peeling away the corners, that I can see it's on the -4 line, there. And it's going to go up to here. Now I'm going to use a ruler for that bit. Shouldn't be messy, it's got to look pretty accurate. So there. There. And there, finish it off. Okay, can you go over now to the reflection please and fill in how you feel on those questions?